January is often when people start asking where the real estate market is headed going into the new year. So today I want to break down what we saw in Red Deer and Central Alberta in 2025 and what we can realistically expect going into 2026. After the fast-paced conditions that we saw in 2024 and early 2025, our local market is clearly shifting into a more balanced and sustainable phase. This doesn't mean prices are dropping. It just means the market is stabilizing, which is actually healthy. Heading into the year end, pricing in Red Deer held up very well. The median sold price in December came in around $385,000, which is showing modest growth compared to both the previous month and last year. Sellers were still achieving 97 to 98% of asking price on average, and homes were taking just over 7 weeks to sell, which is pretty normal for winter months. Inventory remained tight, sitting at roughly 2 months of supply, so well-priced properties continue to see strong competition. December is usually the slowest month of the year, and December 2025 followed the normal seasonal patterns. We saw 72 sales in December, which was down from November, but that is typical to see over the holidays. What matters more is the big picture. Total sales for 2025 were almost identical to 2024, showing only a 1% decrease year over year. Inventory tightened further into December, and while days on market increased slightly, pricing remained stable. Homes are currently selling about 97% of asking price, which tells us that buyers are negotiating modestly, but sellers are not having to make major concessions. When we break it down by property type, we're seeing some clear trends. Detached properties under $500,000 remain the strongest segment, especially when they're move-in ready. Condos and townhomes have seen more inventory, giving buyers a bit more leverage there. And acreage properties have softened slightly as buyers are factoring in carrying costs and commuting costs. Looking ahead, 2026 is shaping up to be less about rapid price increases and more about stability. Pricing will depend heavily on inventory levels, buyer confidence, interest rates, and most importantly, accurate pricing and preparation. Some segments might see modest gains while others might remain flatter, but overall the market is moving more towards balance than volatility. Here's how our team performed in 2025. Lime Green Realty Central sold 252 properties, including 151 listings that I personally listed and sold as the #1 listing sales agent in Central Alberta, along with over 100 transactions completed by our buyers' agents. Our average days on market was only 33 days compared to the board's average of nearly 60 days. And our average sale to list price ratio was over 98%. We're a team of just 4 agents, with our buyers' agents ranking within the top 3% out of over 850 licensed agents within the region. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just planning ahead for 2026, understanding how these market trends can impact your personal situation is key. I'm always happy to break it down for you, so reach out anytime.